If League of Legends keeps giving you high ping and random lag spikes during matches, keep watching, because in this video I'll show you how to fix it. A few different things can cause this, so I'll run through the fixes one by one, starting with the most likely. First thing we need to do is remove anything that can interfere with your connection. Disconnect any VPN you're using, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open the task manager. Under Processes, go to Network, and close any downloads, cloud sync apps, streams, or anything else using a lot of network bandwidth. If possible, connect your PC directly to the router and test the other Wi-Fi band. Go and test League again. If the ping is still spiking, the next thing we're going to do is restart your network equipment. This will temporarily disconnect everyone using your internet, so unplug the router, then unplug the modem. If you have one combined modem and router, unplug that single device. Wait at least 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first and wait for the internet to return. Once you've done that, reopen League and test another match. If it's still lagging, another possible cause is Killer Network Service or Rivet Bandwidth Control. Press the Windows key and R. In the box that pops up, type services.msc and press enter. Look for Killer Network Service or Rivet Bandwidth Control. If neither one appears, skip this fix. If you find one, just right-click it, select Properties, and set Startup Type to Disabled. Select Apply, then OK. This disables the traffic prioritization service until you turn it back on. Restart your computer and test League again. If the high ping still isn't fixed, the last thing we're going to do is change your DNS. Open the Control panel, go to Network and Sharing Center. On the left, select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your active Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, then select Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set your preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8. Set alternate DNS server to 8.8.4.4. Select OK. Right-click your Start menu. Select Terminal Admin. Hit Yes. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Wait until it confirms the DNS resolver cache was flushed. Before changing anything else, check Riot's server status page in case there's a regional server issue. I'll include a link in the description. The high ping and lag spikes in League of Legends will now be resolved.